This space has everything for all types of engineers, mechanical, electrical. If any computer science or civil kids want to complete their projects, we have resources available for any student within the College of Engineering, any student wanting to do research.
If you look at what this school was like back in 1969 when I graduated and where it's progressed now and the students and what everybody is achieving and the spirit in the school, it's just phenomenal.
There's not a university on the planet better positioned to take advantage of these big trends. We are world-class in fields like agriculture and healthcare and the others. We also happen to be a stone's throw away from Sacramento, the capital of California. The world's leader in tech policy and innovation. The world looks to California for that guidance.
Entrepreneurship is like design. You come up with a concept and then you have to bring it to fruition. And that's what engineers do. They problem solve.
This space allows me to use the knowledge I've gotten in class to create projects, help within research with different professors, as well as add things to my resume that can't be shown just by the theoretical things we learn in class. I have like real proof of the engineering work I've done by working in this space.
Believe it or not, you don't realize how the person uncovers in the sense that they probably never really built anything before and they found out they have the knack. We call it the knack here. And all of a sudden they really blossom. All that education comes together. And they're actually taking that and building something and building it as a group also. They're learning from others, working with others.
If whatever Mindy and I have done to help get this project off the ground, I just hope other people will step up and say, hey, it's now time. Let's go. They're ready to go. Let's contribute and make it happen.